All respected listeners, the greatness of the Sahaba is proclaimed by the Quran itself. Muhammadur Rasulullah, وَالَّذِينَ مَعَهُ أَشِدَّاءُ عَلَى الْكُفَّارِ رُحَمَاءُ بَيْنَهُمْ. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. له الحمد كما ينبغي لجلال وجهه وعظيم سلطانه، والصلاة والسلام على النبي الأمين. أما بعد، فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. محمد رسول الله والذين معه أشداء على الكفار رحماء بينهم. Sadaqallahu al-Azim. Respected listeners, honorable elders, and my dear brothers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today's address is on the topic, the greatness of the Sahaba radiallahu anhum. That these community whom Allah chose for the companionship of His Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, through whose hand the Quran was conveyed, and to whose heart beat family settled, and without whose sacrifice the light of Islam will never have reached us. All respected listeners, the greatness of the Sahaba is proclaimed by the Quran itself. Muhammadur Rasulullah, وَالَّذِينَ مَعَهُ أَشِدَّاءُ عَلَى الْكُفَّارِ رُحَمَاءُ بَيْنَهُم. These were the people whose night were spent in prostration, and whose days devoted to the cause of Allah. The messenger of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, Ashabi kan nujum bi ayyi muqtadaytum ihtadaytum. Reflect for a moment. Stars show the way in darkness, and these are the stars who continue to guide the travel of faith until the day of judgment, and following Indian is peace, light and salvation. My dear listener, whoever loves the Sahaba will be right with them in the day of judgment. The Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, Al-Mar'u ma'a man ahabba. A person will be with those whom he likes them. Let us make today to make the following of the Sahaba a part of our lives. Oh Allah, grant us all love for the Sahaba. The greater is with them in paradise. I thank you all. Wassalam.